While rival muscle cars have recently shifted their focus towards sharp handling, the 2023 Dodge Challenger maintains its retro appeal with a package that's tailored for classic pony car enthusiasts and straight-line speed aficionados. The non-SRT Challengers come standard with a V6 engine, but the real excitement lies in the optional naturally aspirated Hemi V8 engines, available in various displacements and outputs, ranging from a 375 HP, 5.7-liter, to a 485 HP, 6.4-liter configuration. If you crave even more power, Dodge is more than willing to accommodate your desires with the formidable Challenger SRT Hellcat, a vehicle we've reviewed separately. While the regular Challenger may not match the extreme performance of the outrageous Hellcat, its V8 engine's distinctive rumble and relatively comfortable ride are sufficient to evoke nostalgic sentiments for the vintage Dodge pony cars that share its name. Enthusiast drivers seeking modern handling prowess on twisty roads and racetracks may find the Chevrolet Camaro and Ford Mustang more capable. Nevertheless, the Challenger's undeniable old-school charm sets it apart. This year marks the conclusion of an era for the Challenger Coupe, as Dodge prepares to introduce a next-generation model, most likely featuring an electric powertrain. The 2023 Challenger proudly displays special commemorative plaques under the hood, signifying its status as the final model year of the current generation. Additionally, Dodge will offer popular colors from the car's storied history, including Plum Crazy, B5 Blue, and Sublime Green. All RT models now feature a new 345 inches badge on the front fender, paying homage to the iconic Hemi V8 engine nestled beneath the car's lengthy vented hood. The first of 7 distinctive special editions, which Dodge has named the Shakedown, is making its debut. Only 1,000 units of this Shakedown edition will be manufactured, and it will be available for both the 485 HP RT Scat Pack and its wide-body variant. The estimated price range for the Shakedown edition is expected to fall between $55,000 and $65,000. We would opt for the RT Scat Pack model due to its robust 485 HP 6.4-liter V8 engine. Surprisingly, we'd choose the 8-speed automatic transmission over the standard manual option because it offers far more responsive performance compared to the somewhat sluggish feel of the manual stick shift. To enhance the overall driving experience, we'd also consider adding the adaptive dampers, which provide adjustable ride quality. For improved handling and style, the Dynamics package is a must-have, featuring wide 20-inch wheels, 6-piston Brembo front brakes, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel. To elevate the interior comfort and aesthetics, we recommend the Plus package, which includes ambient lighting, faux suede seat inserts, and upgraded materials for the dashboard and doors. To access the features in the Plus package, you'll also need to include the Driver Convenience Group, which adds blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, power mirrors, and high-intensity discharge headlights to enhance safety and convenience. The base 305 HP V6 in the Challenger might not fully satisfy thrill seekers. This modest engine is exclusively paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission, but in the hefty Challenger, it lacks the acceleration and excitement that rivals can deliver. However, Dodge's Hemi V8 engines tell a different story. The 375 HP 5.7-liter we tested offered plenty of power, allowing for controlled power slides on demand, and its deep growl provided a gratifying auditory experience. For those looking to extract the utmost potential from the Challenger, the 6.4-liter V8 is the way to go, producing a robust 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. We also had the opportunity to drive the TA392 equipped with the automatic transmission and were impressed by the exhaust's thunderous startup sound and its resonant roar when provoked. While we have a soft spot for manual transmissions, the automatic option proved incredibly responsive to throttle inputs, delivering swift power-on downshifts. The Challenger tackles corners with the aggression of a raging bull, snorting and swaying with menacing intent. This burly Dodge embodies the essence of a true muscle car, excelling on both the street and the drag strip, but showing some limitations on 2-lane roads and tight road courses. Since the lineup's redesign in 2015, the models we've driven have provided a comfortable yet slightly unrefined ride. When compared to the sharper and more adhesive handling of the Camaro and Mustang, the Challenger tends to feel softer in tight turns, and its steering lacks the precision and responsiveness. Nevertheless, the somewhat delayed steering response suits leisurely drives and allows for controlled power-induced slides.